All right, so say we have acetic acid, CH3COOH. And if we add, for example, amine, methylamine, for example, methylamine. So methylamine is like this one, NH, another H, and methyl, right? Okay, so now what is happening in between these two? OH from carboxylic acid and H from amine, methylamine connect, like they form water. Okay, this is going to be water. Let's say I'll write it here as a product, right? And whatever left, it's going to make amide. So this is CH3, C, double bond O, right? Because of this one. And then the rest from amine, N, CH3, H. Okay?
Doctor, always we take OH from amino acid.
And not, this is not amino acid, this is carboxylic acid.
Yes, I mean
Yes,
carboxylic acid.
yes. You take always OH from carboxylic acid. The same thing with alcohol. You take carboxylic acid OH and H from alcohol and make water.
Okay.
Yes, and then in this case you make amide, in the other case you make ester. Okay. So I will not give you any more material in organic chemistry. So this will be only stuff you will be studying. Okay. And I'll send out some kind of maybe you guys have exam offline, right?
Yes, I did.
So as I know, you have exam offline. So this is all what you will be having in your exam. I'll send out the topics. So you need to study pH and buffer. Okay, so you will have something to calculate in there, as you did in your quiz. So go back to your quiz and that material like pH and buffer, and we'll have some questions from there. Overall, you will have 20 questions. Each question will be 2 points, or maybe one question will be 1 point, but the other one will be 3 points. So overall 40 points, but questions will be almost 20 questions. Maybe less than, a little bit less, but you know. So some questions will be from pH and buffer. You might have a couple of questions about colligative properties, but there will be nothing to calculate. Just a question, say, if the vapor pressure is high, which one is the higher, like vapor pressure for solution or vapor pressure for solute? So you need to identify which one is higher. Maybe some kind of multiple choice questions might be. You know, you need to study what is dialysis, what is osmosis, what is hypertonic solution, hypotonic, isotonic, right? You remember we studied about saline solutions, physiological solutions, which is isotonic solution, right? So if you change concentrations, it will be either hypotonic, either hypertonic. So study those stuff also. And from organic chemistry, we will have whatever you had in your quiz, the material similar to that. And on top of that, we will have some material regarding to carboxylic acid, something regarding to alcohol, also aromatic ring, okay, also amide. So I want you to study all these materials. You don't need to do anything beyond this. There will be nothing beyond PPT files. You can read the book if you want, but I will not put anything beyond PPT files. Okay, so very similar stuff, whatever we discussed here, very similar one. Okay. Also, I want you to remember which one is toluene, which one is aniline. I remember I told you I want you to remember three derivatives of aromatic compounds. I'll send out some practical questions. You can practice on it, and maybe to help you to prepare for the exam. I will send out some practical questions in organic, like last part what we discussed here. Do you guys have any questions?
No,
No, doctor.
Yes, doctor, I have a question
Yeah, what is the question about?
about the marks.
Yeah, what is it about, Mark?
Doctor, you didn't put my quizzes marks in my model, and I don't have enough marks.
So what is your
But
number?
I know, but I activate in your lectures every time, and
Okay, so what is your last three digits?
248.
248.
Yeah.
I think I uploaded your marks. Maybe I was missing those marks, so this is why I'm telling you to remind me. Did you?
The last three quizzes you didn't put any marks of them.
So there is no marks for last three quizzes?
Yeah, and this the fourth one.
I mean, fourth one is we just did it, right? So today, so I don't have this one. Just
Okay.
wait a second. Wait a second, just for one. Just a second. You say 248, right?
Right, Doctor. Right.
Okay, just 1 second. Give me a second. So it's group one. There's any other questions meanwhile?
Then you have a question regarding our quiz.
Yeah.
The first question about isomers.
Well, I don't know if it is first question because it's shuffled, right? So for you might be first, but for others might be different. Yeah. What is the question about? Tell me.
We had two structures
Yeah.
with the same formula but different structures.
Right.
So it's supposed to be the isomers, but the answer was the same.
Yeah. Okay, so
can you display this question on your screen, please?
yeah, so let me just see.
Thank you.
Yeah, so the point is that okay, so just 1 second. Yeah, just 1 second. Let me just
Okay, no problem.
well, I'll show you the question. Just here. No, now it's recording like conversion and it's very slow. The computer becomes very slow.
No problem. Excuse me, like I have another question regarding
Yeah.
our presentation. Yesterday I sent an email to you about the topic. So you said you have to specify your topic. My topic was about pharmaceutical chemistry in pharmacy.
Yeah.
So you said it's completely wide, but
Yes.
So I should make a branch, for example, studying on neurological drugs.
Yeah, for example, to pick up any drug, like, just to some kind of specific group of drugs, because this is
For
huge
example,
effort.
for example, anticonvulsive drugs. Yeah, it could be okay.
What kind of drugs?
Anticonvulsive drugs.
Yes, of course, it will be okay. Now it's like a narrow area because some other people also want to do the pharmacy, right? So they can pick up different group of drugs and they can present about that. So, I mean, just pharmaceutical chemistry, it's a huge area, just a huge area. So just make some kind of specific one. Okay, so
Doctor.
Wait a second, please. Wait a second.
Okay.
Just let me see the marks for
Yes,
the 284, right?
248.
248.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 248. Your name is Alman Nasir?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
Almaz.
Yeah, Ibrahim. Okay, so you have okay over here. So you have, I mean, you have all these three the points from all these three quizzes.
Where, doctor?
So wait a second, let me just check. 1 second. Where are you actually looking for the marks, by the way?
Here, doctor. Can I share my screen?
Wait a second, just let me open the one here. Takes very long, this very slow when it's recording this conversion, and I'm doing some stuff, it's very slow. I think I put all your marks there. No?
No, doctor.
So wait a second.
Doctor, you upload the quiz mark in oral presentation, yes, doctor?
Right.
Not in quiz check in your oral presentation mark.
All right, so this is not that. Okay, so what is the overall marks? Can you tell me? 284. What is the sum of your three quizzes? Marks
248. Dr.
Yeah, so what is
Tukur,
the sum
yeah.
of your quizzes? Like, what is the sum
Yeah,
of your marks?
I've got two of them. I think it's 4 marks, and the first one I think is I lost just a half marks, and the fourth quizzes, the fourth quiz I've got 9 of 10. 9 of 10, yeah, yeah. 9
Okay,
of 10.
look, I didn't put the fourth one, okay? There's only 3 quizzes marks.
Doctor, where
I didn't upload
mine-
only fourth one. I didn't upload fourth one for anybody because it just finished. I didn't upload it.
Doctor, but I don't find any marks in my
Look,
quizzes.
look, I said it several times. Look to oral presentations, Mark. Or I can see it clearly. So it's two, everything is written there.
Doctor.
So look for
Okay.
oral presentation. Why it's so difficult to
doctor.
understand?
Doctor, I know. How much marks?
Okay, marks are there.
uh,
Okay, I'm not
to-
going to spend time for
okay.
this kind of thing. Marks are there. And don't disturb me about this kind of things, okay? It's very clear. I
Doctor,
said very many times, oral presentation, go there and see oral presentations. I see the marks are there.
Doctor, I know, but the quiz is from 4 marks. In the oral presentation,
Okay,
the quiz,
look, send the email to me. Send the email, okay?
Okay.
It just doesn't make sense to me, like, you know. All right, so now I want you to share
Doctor,
about, oh,
I
one
have
second, please,
this-
1 second, because
okay,
Said asked
okay.
about to share the question in the quiz. So is it the question you're talking about?
I cannot see, Dr. Now.
You cannot see that?
I cannot see, yeah.
Okay, let me share the screen. I think I shared it, so.
Yeah, I can see that.
All right,
So,
so
we
now,
have- So in this question, we have the same formula, yeah, for both of them,
yes,
but in different structure. It's supposed to be the isomers.
okay, I understand your point. This is why it's a little bit, I mean, I don't want to have very like forward questions. I want you to think a little bit, okay? This is why I'm putting in this way. Now look at this one. I know this makes confusion, right? So now look at this one and then tell me, can I rewrite in a way like this? CH3, okay, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, now look, this one is the same as this one. And this one is the same as this one. So if you make it straight, this one is here, right? Instead of writing here, if you go this way, it's gonna be the same, exactly the same. And this one is the same as, or if you don't want, if you don't like this
Excuse me,
way,
Doctor.
yeah.
Excuse me. In which way we can make it isomer?
Different? Okay, I'll tell you. So if you make it like this, say you have CH3, I'll rewrite exactly. So CH3. I'm sorry. So I need to. Let's try to make it different way. There might be no isomers at all, but let's just try. So this is isomer of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they are isomers. This and this. which means that this is isomer to this one. Okay, so I'll try to rewrite. Just imagine. So this one, look, if I put the stick over here, this one over here, imagine if I put stick between 3 and 4, the same thing as here. So if you start counting like from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, this is exactly the same as this one, just exactly the same. This is this. And
got it. Thank you, Doctor.
you understand now?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
But these two are isomers because it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have substitution in 1, 2, but now you have substitution at 3. So this is isomer.
So in second structure, we cannot replace the place of ethyl and methyl, yeah?
You mean here? Or
Yeah,
here?
in second structure. Yeah.
I mean, which one is second?
Structure, yeah.
This one?
Yeah, the lowest one.
Yeah. So you cannot replace. I mean, if you replace it, then it's going to be isomer. This is what you're asking, or I didn't get that.
No. I mean, could it be possible we replace ethyl and methyl place to make
Okay.
or something?
I see. So you want to make something like this, right? CH3, CH. So then it comes here, CH2, CH3, then it goes CH2 and CH3.
With
right?
methyl, yeah.
This one is gonna be isomer. If we replace like that way, yes, then it's exactly the same as this one.
I got it, Doctor. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right. So another question. There was another question. There was a question I remember somebody was asking.
Yeah, Doctor, it's not about a question in the quiz. Doctor, I was having internet connection problems at the quiz and I can't attempt it. So what should I do?
Okay, so why it's
I was
like
trying to send you.
okay, so
I was
why
trying to
you
send
didn't have the internet connection that time? Now you have internet connection, right?
Yeah, I will tell you because MACD, I recharge it.
All right, so let me do like this way. Send the email to me and we'll talk it beyond like out of this class, okay? Send email to me. We will think about what we can do. I
Yeah,
don't know,
I'll-
it depends. So I need to talk also to office about this. Send the email to me.
Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
Any other questions?
Doctor, for next session, we will have just presentation, yeah?
Yeah, next session, just presentations, nothing else.
So there is need to pay attention in detail, I mean, structure of drugs or formula of drugs, yeah?
Okay,
Or not
so
general information?
no, well, I would like you to have some chemistry in there, okay? If there is no chemistry, then it's not really chemistry in medicine. So you need to do some kind of explanation, some kind of show some kind of chemistry, you know? I mean, it doesn't mean that, well, you can show, I don't know, either formulas or some kind of mechanism, how it works or anything like this. What is the preference or why they choose this drug to maybe there is some chemical reaction we can find or anything like that, you know, because there should be some chemistry, not only words. So it cannot be like that, you know, this drug is for this drug is for that. So you need to show some kind of chemistry because this is chemistry course. So.
Okay, thank you.
All right, any other questions for today?
So have a good day, Doctor.
All right, you too. Have a good one.